What's up, everybody? Today we're going to unlock the secrets of passionate kissing with our ultimate guide on how to French kiss like a pro in 2024. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refine your technique, this step-by-step tutorial covers everything you need to know to blow your partner's mind. I'm Robbie Oz, your #1 sex coach, and I'm committed to educating men on all things love, sex, relationships, and life. I've also been in the porn industry for over 20 years and done over 600 scenes. That is a lot of kissing, and I plan to give you the best of what I've learned in this video. Okay, so what I'm going to walk you through in this video is the basics of French kissing, what it is and why it's so special. We're also going to go through setting the mood, tips for creating the perfect atmosphere, essential techniques, step-by-step instructions to master the art of French kissing. Common mistakes to avoid to ensure you don't ruin the moment. Enhancing intimacy, how to connect with your partner on a deeper level. And make sure you wait till the end as I'll give you 5 different types of kisses you can try tonight. So, what's the deal with French kissing? It's not just about the lip lock. It's the whole art form. French kissing can really spice up your romantic life and build a deeper connection with your partner. Whether you're a newbie or just looking to sharpen your skills, I've got you covered with a step-by-step guide, and then I'll have you feeling confident and ready to impress. All right, let's talk about some common challenges people face when it comes to French kissing. First off, there's that anxiety that creeps in. You might be worried about how your breath smells or if you're gonna do it right. Plus, there's pressure to impress with your partner. And let's not forget technique. What do you even do with your tongue? Many folks struggle with confidence, especially when the moment gets all romantic and intense. It's easy to feel overwhelmed. But guess what? You're not alone. We're gonna tackle these hurdles one by one. Now that we've addressed the challenges, it's time to explore some essential techniques for nailing that French kiss. First things first, set the mood. Make sure you're in a comfortable and romantic setting. Dim the lights, play soft music, and just relax. Next, body language is the key. Lean slowly in, maintain eye contact. This builds anticipation. When your lips finally meet, start with gentle pecks before diving into the kiss. As for the tongue, think of it as a dance, not a wrestling match, but let it softly explore your partner's lips before gradually introducing your tongue. Trust me, a little tease goes a long way. And remember, communication is everything. Don't be afraid to check in with your partner and see what they like and don't like. Are you enjoying this video? Well, I have an online course with over 60 videos called Better in Bed. Everything from how to last longer in bed, how to squirt, how to give her a pussy massage, like so much content. And guys, it's all fully uncensored. It's the perfect mix of entertainment and education. Head to www.mysexualmastery.com and use the code YouTube to get 20% off everything, or use the code VIP to get 40% off my main course, Better in Bed. Now, here's the moment you've been waiting for, the ultimate tip that can elevate your kiss from good to unforgettable. Are you ready? It's all about the connection. Focus on syncing with your partner's rhythm. Pay attention to their response. If they lean in, that's a good sign. Also, don't forget to mix it up. Switch between slow and passionate kisses and in some gentle nibbling or light sucking on their lip. And don't forget to use your hands, guys. Hands around the back of their neck, just exploring, slowly moving down their back. The key is to create a moment that feels electric and totally in sync. Remember, a kiss is more than just physical. It's about sharing an experience together. Now, just before I give you the 5 different kisses to try tonight, as mentioned at the start, I have had over 20 years in the porn industry and done over 600 scenes with 300 different co-stars. Well, I currently have 30% off on my OnlyFans, so if you want to see some of them, come on over and check it out. So without any further ado, here are the 5 different types of kisses to try tonight. The suction kiss. Create a gentle suction on your partner's lower lip while kissing. This moves add playful and intimate twist, making the kiss feel more passionate. Be gentle to ensure it's pleasurable and not painful. The lip trace. Instead of diving right into a kiss, use your tongue to trace the outline of your partner's lips. This teasing heightens anticipation and makes the eventual kiss even more electrifying. It's a seduction technique that builds tension and excitement. Biting kiss. Gently biting your partner's lip during a kiss can add an element of playful aggression and intensity. Be careful not to bite too hard. The goal is to create a mix of pleasure and slight pain that heightens the sensory experience. Okay, next up is the ice kiss. Incorporate a piece of ice into your kiss. Pass the ice cube back and forth between your mouths, letting it melt gradually. The contrast of cold ice and warm lips can create a thrilling and unexpected sensation, adding an adventurous twist to your kissing. All right, next up is the earlobe kiss. Move your kisses from the lips to the earlobe. Gently tug, suck, or nipple on your partner's earlobe. The ears are sensitive areas and a kiss can be incredibly arousing and intimate, adding a bold touch to your romantic repertoire. And with all these guys, don't forget, use the hands, pull back for some eye contact. I think that's the big thing, eye contact. So before you ever go in for your kiss, make sure you have that eye contact and she's basically begging you to kiss through her eyes. Okay, so let's recap. We've covered the common challenges of French kissing, essential techniques to get you started, the secret behind making your kiss truly unforgettable, and I've given you 5 kisses to try tonight. Always remember, practice makes perfect, and being in tune with your partner is crucial. Don't stress too much, just enjoy the moment. Now, I want to hear from you. Share your French kissing experiences in the comments below, and what worked for you. If you found that guide helpful, don't forget, check out my other videos on more relation tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.